Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can restrict game download from Play Store. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and click on your profile picture, click on settings, click on family, click on parental control and click here to on that. So here you need to add a pin that you need to remember. So I'm going to add a pin. Okay, then you need to click on apps and game and click on read for 3 plus, click on got it and click on save. And let me show you now. You are unable to find games. So here you can see there is no PUBG. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.